Today, we'll talk about direction during prayer in Christianity and in Islam. In simple terms, what is prescribed and why it exists. Let's start with Christianity. In the New Testament, there is no geographic command for prayer. Pray where you are. Sincerity and worship in spirit and truth matter most, so there is no mandatory direction. The only geographic detail people recall is from the Old Testament. The prophet Daniel opened his windows toward Jerusalem and prayed. That was a temple-era custom, not a universal command for all Christians. In Christian history, you do see various habits, like facing east, but those are traditions, not law. Now to Islam. Here, direction is part of the form of the obligatory prayer, salat. There is a single orientation, the Qibla, turning one's face and body toward the sacred mosque in Mecca, where the Kaʿba stands, the ancient cubic sanctuary and shared center of worship. Historically, early Muslims first oriented toward Jerusalem, then the direction was changed to Mecca. The Qur'an gives the turning point. Turn your face toward the sacred mosque. The meaning is a shared focus and discipline of the Ummah, that is, the worldwide Muslim community. Wherever a believer stands, they align with one center. When conditions are difficult, there is a concession. Pray on foot or riding as best as possible. The point is not a perfect azimuth, but not losing the prayer. In summary, in Christianity, the direction is not prescribed. The accent is on sincerity. In Islam, a single Qibla serves as an outward reference and a sign of unity, with reasonable exceptions in hard situations. What matters more, where your body faces during prayer or your sincerity?